Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix hololive Dreams game not launching or not opening, crashing, not loading, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, black screen, keep stopping, or several other issues on iPhone. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart the game. So if you try to launch the game but it's not opening, then you have to close the game completely from the background, and after that again restart the game, launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, you should check if the game needs any kind of update. For that, you have to go to the App Store, and in the search option you have to search for hololive Dreams game, and after that here you have to check if there is any update option available. If yes, update your game to the latest version, and after that check if you can play the game. If not, you should offload the app or clear the cache of the game. For that, you have to go to settings. After that, click on general, click on iPhone storage. Here you have to search for the game, click on the arrow icon, click on offload app, and then click on offload app. So this will clear the cache of the app, and after that check if you can play the game or not. If not, you should check your internet connection. So you are suggested to check if there is internet connection stable or not. If it's fluctuating, you have to move to mobile data if you are using Wi-Fi, or do vice versa, or even you have to enable airplane mode and again disable it after some time, and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next method is to check for OS update. So you should ensure your phone OS is up to date. So for that, go to settings. After that, click on general, click on software update, and here you will find if there is any update available for your OS. So if there is any update available, update your phone OS to the latest version, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. But if the issue still continues, you can install a VPN app and then try to launch the game and check. For that, go to the App Store. In the search option, search for VPN, and several VPN apps will be available over here. Install any one of it, and after that log into it, change the location, and then check if you can play the game. But if the issue still continues, then you are suggested to reinstall the game. For that, you have to first delete the game. So click and hold the game icon, click on remove app, and then click on delete app icon, and finally click on delete. So this will delete the game from your phone. After that, go to the App Store, and in the search option search for hololive game, search for hololive Dreams game, and finally click on the download or get option, and after that check if you can play the game. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.